So we were talking about the water. You have an overflow pipe to relieve the pressure of the spillway.
The dam was designed with an overflow structure that's actually a pipe under the base of the dam that's valved, so we can discharge water directly to the spillway channel, versus having it come over the top of the dam. Having top the dam level and come down the spillway is dangerous because you can't control the volume in the reservoir and how fast it enters the channel. By operating this valve, we can control and try to mitigate some of the flooding that can happen on Poplar Street, Poplar Park, Public Works facility. I don't know when that valve was used prior to the last few weeks. No one can recall it. We have employees that have been here 30 plus years that don't recall it being operated. Back here, real quick, I could show you generations of flights and chains that have failed. These are the scrapers and the sludge removal. Generations of aluminum scrapers, fiberglass scrapers, redwood scrapers on this side. These are the old chains. There are plastic chains here, there are metal chains here.
So this is where the scraper attaches to,
right.
And this chain runs.
This chain runs the whole length of this building, all the way back to that cage. So these are the flock chambers. These, again, this is the part that helps mix the water in the sedimentation basins to get the chemical actives.
Those are like the little oil rig
situation. This summer we had one of the motors go on this. That's a difficult motor to find right there. I mean, take a look at the age of that.
That's probably the 50s when this plant was.
This plant came online in the mid-60s, but this technology is, extremely old. Basically, what this is there's paddles attached to these two pistons, and as these things go up, it mixes the water. So as the chemicals are being added to it, the reaction happens to develop the flock, which separates the organics and the minerals out of the water. That settles down to the bottom. There's two sets of these. There's one here for this basin. There's one on the other side of this room for the other basin.
So is just the motor getting replaced, or this whole?
We're looking at technology right now to a more modern technology that's a little bit safer. A lot of moving pieces here. You have a lot of bearings, a lot of points that could seize up.